hundreds of women, be quiet now, be quiet, you're irritating me. Hundreds of women have gone and said that the Trinamool Congress people used to take poor women on the basis of how they looked, on the basis of their age, and take them to the party office and rape them, sexually assault them till they were quote-unquote satisfied, threaten their families, threaten their husbands, threaten their mothers, take them, sexually assault them till they were satisfied and satiated, and then throw them back. Till date, the women are getting angrier and angrier, and Mamata Banerjee says, I can't find the people who did it. That's the moot point here. The moot point.
Well. I was in Sandeshkhali for last 2 days. Arnab, I was there in Sandeshkhali myself. Day before I was there. I spent the full day. When they arrested your reporter, I was there. And I saw how Santu Pan was doing his work. He in fact covered me interacting with women. He was doing his job so properly. I don't know what suddenly even I got to know, because I was there. I could have been also arrested. However, I was with some teams, official teams, so I got saved. Otherwise, the kind of hooligan I have seen, the kind of stories I have heard, I have spoken to more than 20-25 women. And I was also, kind of hearing it from them directly. And, it gave me goosebumps. How this Sheikh Shahjahan.
What did you hear? What did you hear? You tell us, Yogita. Tell us, what did you hear? Exactly what you said. They used to molest these women. I have spoken to women. I have pictures. I've taken pictures. Women were brutally, hit, and there were bruises all over. Someone was hit on the face, hands. And they were telling me the stories that, their saris, they were derobed and they were taken to party office. They used to be, it is not a one night thing or one time experience. This has been going on. It is like a practice. Even their husbands, those who are married, they make a vicious circle. They harass them. They make circumstances like those, if you have to stay in this village, you have to make your living, you have to be part of this whole thing, It is not only a women right violation, because I went on that thing that, women are being molested, they have been targeted, but it is a gross human right violation which is happening there. Land grabbing is part of it, and it is all interconnected, because they are making women more vulnerable. In the garb of land, grabbing the land, they call the women to the office. And, they hit their husband. They don't even pay them. Lot of stories. Lots of stories. These are
which
Trinamool
are
Congress
forward.
people, Yogita.
I have promised myself.
These are Trinamool Congress people, ruling,
yes,
state ruling party people.
Yes. Yes. And also we met the DIG.
And the Trinamool Congress leaders call these women repeatedly and abuse them repeatedly. This has been going on for how long now, from what you've heard, from your anecdotes and what people have told you, the witnesses, the victims have told you. What have they told you? So now it has been going on for at least many years, but when this government repeated second time, they become more active in grabbing the lands, especially this Sheikh Mohammed Sheikh and this Sheikh Shahjahan and his goons, There are many such people. But this guy, I saw his house also. It's like a palace, And he's really minting money. He's supporting the TMC for sure financially. And everybody's, they were crying while they were telling. It is not only the women who have gone through the molestation. They were only talking about it. The women, normal village women, even I interacted with young girls as well. So everybody is like, they don't want to send their daughters to school. It is much more than that. I'm telling you, it is just tip of the iceberg. And that is the one place we got to know Sandeshkhali. Because this ED case got opened or whatever happened. We don't know. We don't know what is happening across West Bengal. I mean, for me, it was like an eye-opener. I got shaken. Because I had not really imagined what happens here. I mean, West Bengal is totally, another level altogether. I do a lot of cases. I have been dealing with such cases, but this is a gross mass violation of
human rights, women rights to extreme level, and
this Sheikh Shahjahan is not absconding. And it is not that I asked the DIG personally, when are you arresting? And he got little jittery and he said, who are you? Are you a lawyer? Who are you? Why are you asking? In which capacity you are asking? I said, as a normal citizen. Then he said, it is not my this thing to catch him. It is ED's thing. I mean, they are actually protecting him. Let me tell you that. They are not only protecting him, they know where is he, and he is under their protection. They know where is he. Now let me tell you that. And they don't want him to be arrested. They are conniving to protect him.
Everybody
That's
knows
it.
that.